So, hello everybody. My name is Soham Kulkarni, and today in this video, I am presenting to you the project that we did in 36 hour hackathon, known as the Happiness Index Predictor. The concepts that we used for this project was from the AI/ML field, and in that we are using different models to run and take some inputs from user and give him the him or her the happiness index of his or her happiness. Okay, and there are two parts that we are doing this. First is that in which we will predict your happiness based on the questionnaire, okay, that we set already, and it will also give you recommendations to increase your happiness, to uplift your happiness index. Okay, then second is the it will take some personal questionnaire from you, personal answers from you, like for your hobbies and stuff. I will show you the questionnaire, and also it will get take your image as upload, and when the your image is uploaded, it will run the CNN model, that is neural networks model, on your image, detect your face, detect your emotions from that image, and then it will give you, it will tell you how your mood is based on that image, and also give you the recommendation to choose to change that mood into the happiness. Okay. So this is the project. So this is the home page of the project. Now we will go to the question based predictor. Okay, so this is the question based prediction. Let me minimize this. Okay. So happiness index predictor. We need some information to predict your happiness index. Okay, so this is the information. Now how this information detects your happiness? This information or this data on which the model we use, that is random forest regressor model, is trained, is the data from World Happiness Report. And the World Happiness Report data had this all the fields. Okay, and based on these fields, they predicted the happiness. They recorded the happiness of each country, each person, by based on these inputs. Okay, and we use that data to train our model, and based on that model, this is the report. So let's see the demo. So select your country. So first I will choose very randomly. Okay, so we'll see the Sweden, and how much your family supports you. So your happiness is depend on your family support. If your family is very supportive to you, you will be happy. So that's why their field is there. So I will put three. I'm completely randomly putting the inputs. Okay. So what is your healthy life expectancy in years? So what do I expect? I will put like 72. Okay, how much freedom of choices do you have? Okay, so how much freedom of choice do I have? 3 or 4. Okay, it's very less. Don't judge me on these inputs. Okay, so how generous you are? So I'm not very generous. Level by which the corruption around you affects you. Okay, so corruption around me affects anyone. It should affect anyone. Okay. So now calculate the happiness index. We will click here and it will give you the happiness index. So let's see. Okay, so the estimated happiness index is 7.40. So in 1 to 10 scale, it is 7.40. That is, it is much better. It is very good. To uplift your happiness index, you can try the following measures. Okay, so these are the measures. Oh, your family support is less. So based on these inputs, it giving some recommendations to uplift this happiness index. So your family support is less. You can try the following measures. So what measures I can try? Don't be afraid to take social risks. Spend more time with your family members. Avoid negative relationship. Take care of your relationship. Try to think about other person's perspective before coming to any decision. Okay, so these are all the recommendation, that generalized recommendation. These are general recommendation. These are not very personalized. Okay, so you say that someone is orphan and you are asking him how much family or supports you, he will put 0 and you will give them this recommendation. But these are the general recommendation. We can make it more personalized by adding different models. But remember, we made this in 36 hours only. So these are the results that we can give. So this is your life expectancy is less than average. Then please try the following things: eat healthy food, hang out with friends. So eating healthy food, hanging out with friends will increase your life expectancy, and the life expectancy increase will increase your happiness index. So indirectly it will uplift your happiness index. And this is what we wanted to achieve in the hackathon. The problem statement was like that you should predict the happiness index, and you should you should give recommendation that will uplift the happiness index. So that's what we did. Now the second part is that we are now predicting the happiness based on the facial expressions. Okay, so this is the second part of our. So please fill the survey form to get the best recommendation to uplift our best. Now the first part was generalized part. It was giving the recommendation generalized way. Now this will give you the recommendation based on this your personal questions. Okay, so these are the questions. First is, what is your hobby? So I will put very randomly. I will put drawing. What things do you do when you are happy? So I dance when I am happy. So I will put there. What things do you do when you are sad? So I will put sleep. What genre of music do you like? So I like rock music. So I will put rock here. Which kind of books do you like? Okay, so which kind of books do I like? I will put motivational. Okay, so these are all the questions that I answered. Now I will upload the image of a random person. I will not upload my image right now. I don't have one. So this is the random image I am uploading. Okay. Here it is. So this is the image. As you can see, this person is angry. Now our machine learning model will detect this face in the image, and it will also tell that if how the facial expressions from this image is, and based on that image, it will also give you the recommendation. So let's see here. Let's process here. Here it is. Here are the results. It has accurately detected the image in the face in the image, and it is also saying that you seem to be angry today. Take it easy. So it has accurately gave you the analysis of your mood based on image, and it is also recommending you. Now there is one thing to notice. There is try doing meditation, and the second is, why don't you try to listening your favorite rock music? Okay, so how did he know? How did the machine know that I like the rock music? From this questionnaire. From this questionnaire, it learned that you have the music liking in the rock type. That's why it give you the recommendation that you should try listening to the rock music. Okay, so this is how it giving personalized recommendation. We can develop this the project further by applying different models and different stuffs. I will be uploading the next parts of the videos where I will develop this project further. So stay tuned for that, and thank you.